All right, so this is a quick video on how I do my tire rotations. I typically only just rotate them from front to back, back to front. That seems to be doing well for me. I've had numerous trucks and cars over the year, and the tires seem to last a lot longer when I just do these. I rotate about every 5,000 miles every time I do an oil change. I first start with jacking the truck up just behind the driver's side door, and then just for safety measures, I do add a jack stand there to make sure the jack doesn't fail hydraulically. Again, taking off the lug nuts doesn't really matter which lug nuts you take off first, so I just loosen all of them and get them off there with the impact. Again, then I move the front tire to the back, off to the side, then I pull the back tire off, get those lug nuts threaded on, just a couple threads before it tightening up. When you're tightening the lug nuts, you want to go kind of across from each other. So I usually go top, bottom, left, top, right, over. So that way it gets a good tight pattern on it. So as mentioned, when I got to the front tire, I kind of, again, tighten them from top to bottom, and then I jump over to the left, tighten that one, and jump back up to the top, tighten that, and then go to the right, get that one tightened, and then jump back to the left. I get them all snug, and then once they're all kind of snug in there, then I go back and hit all of them and make sure they're all the way tightened. So again, I kind of jump across the tire, every lug nut, and then gets it nice and tight on the hub. Doing it that way. So once I've pulled the jack stand out, I release the jack and pull it out of the way, and then jump over to the other side and repeat the same exact process. Thanks for watching.